Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I wanted to show you a few things that I'm working on for an order. I did get an order for bookmarks, and so I made them two different ways. I used this punch to make this one, and she decided she just wants them straight, and that's okay. Anyway, I'm going to go through and show you what I've made so far. I have an order for 100, and so I am working on that. And she wanted all holidays, all seasons, and some Christmas, and there some Valentines are in here as well. But I just want to show you. Here's some Valentines. Just want to show you real quick what I've been working on. A lot. Anyway, my desk is a mess, so bear with me. And that's all of those. I don't have all of them made yet. And then she asked she wanted some that are not laminated, just plain, and these are double-sided. And I just added a tassel to them, and then she wanted some, because she's going to do giveaways on these, and some without a tassel. And so I made a bunch of those without a tassel. And I used all my leftover paper, which was nice. I also got an order for these little calendars, and this is the easel. I have to do something about the easel for the calendar because it's not holding it up. But look how cute this little owl calendar is for 2026. And they're super easy. I made them with a Cricut, and it actually with the Cricut Joy Extra. And if you would like a tutorial on these, not a tutorial, but a demonstration, I guess I can show you how to do that. But they are so stinking cute. And then here is the back of the calendar. And so when you have it displayed, it shows everything. And there's a bunch of them I'm making. But this easel's supposed to hold it up, but it's not sturdy enough. And I did cut it out on 110 pound cardstock. I think I need to double it up or possibly triple it. I can't cut chipboard with the Joy Extra, I don't think. But anyway, these are cute things that I'm working on right now. The bookmarks, tons and tons of bookmarks. These bookmarks are so cheap to make. They really, really are. And if you'd like a tutorial on any of this, please let me know. Comment below and let me know. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye.